So hi everyone, I am Subhadip. So today in this video I will explain a question, and this question was asked in 2020 NEST exam. So some of you maybe don't know about NEST. So what is NEST? NEST is just a national level exam, and this exam is for taking admission in Niger, Bhubaneswar and CEBS Mumbai. So by this exam you can take admission to these two premium institute. You can check these institutes on Google. And so today I will explain a question and from this next 2020 exam, right? So what is the question? In that question, let M be a set of 2 by 2 matrices with integer entries and the function f m to n given by this. Now if this function f was given r to r, then it was very easy, because if these things was given, then what we do, f of x1 equals to f of x2, we will show that this implies that x1, if we show that this is this, then we say that this is it, this is a injective, right? And if we can find the pre-image of every y in the codomain set, so for every y, if we find fx equals to y, then we said that this is surjective. So in that case it was very easy, because fx equals to x square, that means x1 square equals to x2 square, implies that x1 equals to plus minus x2, that means it is not 1 1, it is not injective, either way is said. Again, if you take the value minus 1, it has no image, because we cannot find some x such that x square equals to minus 1 in this r, right? So if this m, instead of this m it was given r, then it was not neither injective nor surjective. But here it is not given r, it is given that m, right? So for that case, what we show, we will show that it is not injective and not surjective. To show that it is not injective, what we do, we take a matrix A, suppose this is minus a 0 0 0, and we take B, this is a 0 0 0. Now if we do a square, what we get, minus a 0 0 0 into minus a 0 0 0, then what we get, a square 0 0 0, right? Similarly b square, if we do, what we get, same a square 0 0 0. So we get same result, a square, so a square equals to b square, but a not equals to b every time. If a is 0, that is okay, but if a is not 0 or not 0, then it is not always a equals to b. So a square equals to b square does not always mean a equals to b. So that means that this is f of a and this is f of b. So we saw that f of a equals to f of b not always implies that f equals to b. That means it is not injective. For the case of surjective, let us take a matrix like minus 1 0 0 0. Now suppose if we take a like x y z w, So what will be a square? A square will be xyzw into xyzw. So it will be x square plus yz, then xy plus yw, and it will be xz plus zw, and this is yz plus w square, right? So we are going to find the pre-image of that matrix, right? So this is x square plus yz, xy plus yw into xz plus zw, yz plus z square. So we have, this is our a square, so we want to find the pre-image of this matrix. So how we get? Now x square plus yz equals to minus 1 and xy equals to minus yw, right? And also xz plus zw equals to 0. So that means z into x minus w equals to 0, and also yz plus w square equals to 0. Now xy equals to, so that from here what we get, it is also, we also get y into x plus w equals to 0. So from this y equals to 0 or x plus w equals to 0, for one case y equals to 0, x square equals to minus 1. So if y equals to 0, x square equals to minus 1, but this cannot be happen because entries are all integers, so we cannot find some integer such that x into x equals to minus 1. So we cannot find the pre-image for this one. And if we also take this x equals to minus w, then what we get? So for x equals to minus w, x square plus yz equals to minus 1. So that means from, if x equals to minus w, what will be yz? 1 minus x square, right? And so y equals to 1 minus x square, from here, sorry, this will be minus 1 minus x square. Now if we, minus 1 minus x square, now if we put here, so yz, so if we put here, so yz plus w square, so this will be implies that yz, x equals to minus w we take, so what we get? X equals to minus w means x square equals to 0. Now x square, yz is our minus 1 minus x square equals to 0, so 2x square equals to minus half, that x square equals to minus half. So this also not possible. So for all the cases we see that this matrix does not have any pre-image, so that means this is not surjective. So which option will be correct? This option will be correct. So in that question we see that if it was R, then it is also not surjective, not injective, and if it is AM, then it is also not surjective, not injective. So this was the question, and this is a very conceptual question. And so thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you like this video, you can share this video with your friends, and you can comment about your feedback. So Thank you, everyone.